Are you feeling totally overwhelmed by the nonstop flood of AI tools? Yeah, you're not alone. It really does feel like chaos out there. But what if there was a simple, practical system to actually harness all that power? Well, today we're going to cut through the hype and build exactly that. Okay, let's dive in. First, we'll get a little context on why this AI moment feels so different. Then, we're going to cover the essential lingo you need to know, map out the key tools so you're not lost, and see how they actually work together in the real world. And finally, we'll build an elegant system to manage the whole shebang. So, first up, why is everybody and their mother talking about AI right now? I mean, the technology's been around for decades, but something has definitely fundamentally changed. And this quote right here, it nails the feeling perfectly. This isn't just another tech update, like a new phone. This is a massive foundational shift in how we create things and interact with information. And that's exactly why it feels so, so big. And you can see this has been a long time coming. The core ideas of AI go way back to the 40s and 50s. But the difference between then and now is just sheer mind-boggling scale. We've gone from these theoretical concepts to AI models with trillions of parameters. To put that in perspective, that's way more than the number of neurons in a human brain. That colossal scale is what finally unlocked all the magic we're seeing today.
All right, so now that we've got the context, let's build our playbook. Because to really navigate this new world, you kind of have to speak the language. So we're going to break down the core concepts into simple, practical terms. No PhD required.
The undisputed star of the show right now is what we call generative AI. This is the part that feels like actual magic, the ability to create something new right out of thin air. Whether it's drafting an email, designing a logo, or even composing music, this is the tech that's completely captured everyone's imagination. So how does it all work under the hood? Well, think of it like you're briefing a creative team. Your prompt, that's your creative brief. The AI then breaks that down into these tiny pieces of words called tokens. You decide on the format or modality, like do you want text or an image? Then you set the temperature to control the creative vibe, and boom, you get your final deliverable. It's really just a simple 5-step process. And that temperature setting, that's basically your creativity dial. You can turn it up or down. A low temperature gives you really predictable, consistent, fact-based results. It's perfect for something like summarizing a report. But if you crank that temperature way up, you unleash the creativity, and you get wild, original, sometimes surprising ideas. It's awesome for a brainstorming session. You're the one in control. Okay, now for the part that feels like total chaos, the tools. It seems like there's a new game-changing AI app every single week, right? But don't worry, we can bring some order to this madness. Let's draw a simple map of the most important players you need to know about. Really, the easiest way to think about it is just to put them in a few categories. For your everyday chat and writing, you've got the giants like ChatGPT and Claude. For creating amazing images and designs, you've got tools like Midjourney. For video and audio, there are absolute game changers like Opus Clip. And for just making your life easier, there are awesome productivity tools like Notion AI. Just knowing these buckets helps you cut right through the noise. And even within those categories, you have specialists. Think of ChatGPT as your brilliant, versatile Swiss Army knife. It's great for almost any task you throw at it. Claude, on the other hand, is more like your deep dive researcher. It can analyze massive documents, I'm talking hundreds and hundreds of pages, and pull out these incredibly nuanced insights. You just have to pick the right tool for the job. Okay, this is where it gets really, really powerful. See, individual tools are great, but the real magic happens when you start chaining them together into workflows. Let's look at a super practical example. So here's a problem I'm sure a lot of us have. You record a 1-hour webinar or a podcast, and then it just sits there, collecting digital dust. The goal is to squeeze every last drop of value out of that one piece of content by turning it into a ton of short, shareable clips for social media. And here's how that AI-powered workflow comes to life. First, you feed that long video into Opus Clip, which acts like your personal viral clip finder, automatically identifying the juiciest moments. Next, Descript cleans up the audio and lets you edit the video just by editing the text transcript. It's amazing. Then, you pop those clips into Canva to add your branding and captions. And for the final step, ChatGPT writes unique, compelling social media posts for every single clip. Just like that, one video becomes an entire marketing campaign. This brings us to the final, and I think the most important piece of the whole puzzle. We've got the concepts, we've got the tools, and we've got the workflows. Now we need a system, a mental model to organize everything so it doesn't spiral into chaos. Because this is the real challenge, right? You end up with dozens of different chats for different projects across multiple platforms. So how do you stop it from becoming an even bigger mess than what you started with? Well, here is an absolutely elegant solution inspired by how the real power users get things done. Think of every single project in 3 parts. First, you have your project knowledge. This is your central hub, your single source of truth with all the facts and files. Second, your custom instructions. These are your rules of engagement, defining the AI's tone of voice, its personality. And third, you have your chats, and each chat is a dedicated specialist working on one specific task. A user on Reddit put it perfectly. It's just like explaining your business to a new team of expert consultants while handing them a detailed operations manual. You give them everything they need to succeed up front. And this right here is the big mental shift. You are the manager. Your project knowledge is the brief, and every new chat window you open is like hiring a new specialist for your team. One chat is your marketing strategist. You open another one, that's your witty copywriter. A third is your data analyst. They all work from the same core brief, which ensures consistency, but you deploy them for their own unique, specialized tasks. You see, this framework transforms AI from just a series of chaotic, one-off chats into a coordinated, intelligent system. It literally gives you a team of tireless, expert specialists, on demand 24/7. So the only question left is, what project will you build first?